today I'm playing the Clone Tycoon 2. So let's go. Hello. Okay. So let me give you step by step. So this is the East research area. So I can get cash per kill 100 and gems per minute is 3 per minute. Yeah. So anyway, this is the research area. I don't know what is that. This is part 2 out of A, which I don't understand what. Anyways, moving on upstairs. This is the character selector, hacking station. I think this is the research thingies. Anyways, those are the clone machine, some weapons, and this is the Galatia Arena. Okay, I'm gonna teleport there. See how it goes. You know, the times I play this, I always lose. But this time around, I see a bright future. Because apparently, December's Oppo or something, he used to be a good player, but for some reason he quits. Yeah. And what the? Oh! Defeat! Maybe 32176. Greatest. The greatest. Go! Am I there? Because if I am not there, I'll be like, what? I'm dead. My clones are dead. Sorry. Oh my god, that guy's a hacker. It's either the person is a hacker or the type of baby. Oh no. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Where is my clone? Okay, first then talk with this spider. Shark SG. Based on the username, I already know this person giving me SG. Like, come on! So obvious! 1. Go. 5 points. Quiet. 3. No, don't go. Get out. Easy. Oh my. Yes, this one. December 01 Pro. This guy is a hacker. I hate him. Go, Nubi! You can do it. Okay, I'm gonna remove this sign because it's blocking me. Go, Nubi, you can do it. Do it. Oh my gosh. 01 December 01 Pro Shadow. Go. Okay, no matter, I'm going back. Maybe I should stick a walk along. Okay, one more round. We're going to continue with the tour. Oh, Bojack BC Wilkins win. EFUCT. What? Hey, come on. Go. Go, Nubis. Go. Kill. Oh my god. From eternity. Go, Nubi. I wish I can control clones. Actually, you can, but that's a hack. Not like really a hack, but an in-game hack, which I don't understand. You know what? I'm going out. I don't care, I'm going out. Okay, back to Clone Tycoon 2, the main one. Load, select plot. Okay, that's slow. So since I haven't finished, let me continue. Those are the different elements: poison, electric, mystic, and fire. Their difference. That's the happy station. I was talking about the kind of hex. I think it's that kind. I can't tell. Okay. So that is one of my vehicle. That is another of my vehicle. I just opened so I just opened my roof. Oh my god! I just jumped straight down for no reason. And I haven't even left my place. But regenerating doesn't take long. Yeah, and where is it? There are 2 planets. One of them is Moon and one of them is Mars. I'm going to unlock something with each. Oh wait, I want to talk about something. No! I missed. Dead life. Anyway, what I wanted to talk about was there's a missile pad on top and you can shoot missiles up from there. Okay. Originally you can send close into this kind of vehicle, but since it gives me a lot of problem, I'd rather do. Okay, let me go check the 2 planets. Lava planet, isn't it Mars? There we go. Okay, that direction. I'm heading to Lava Planet. Ah, there we go. Yes! I killed myself officially! Because I wanted to kill myself. Anyways, let's take my spaceship and we're going to Mars. Our planet. Previously when I played, I managed to defeat the boss in Planet 1, but crazy thing is that I didn't get anything. I was supposed to get helicopter because there's this helicopter called There's this vehicle called helicopter. Where is it? Oh, okay. So yeah, anyways, let's go. The most craziest part, the most craziest part is that when you jump out all of a sudden when you're over here. Back at the planet, it's alright, but when you're here, like, what? You'll be like, what did I just do? Yeah, that's what you'll be. To be honest lah. What? I'm gonna teleport to Lava Land. Any other people with me? Oh, okay. I like it. What's this? Oops. can we do? Oh! Oops. Okay, here's where we go. Okay, we go there. Oops. Wait. Help. Okay, you press that. I'm going. Haha. Okay, you press that. Huh? What? Oops. I suck in all these, by the way. You just hover around on the air. Like if I did. Wow. What? Da. E. This is what I'm gonna do. So I find hidden keys. Yeah. This cow sucks. Come on. Let me go, please. Okay, you know what? I'm going. Let's go. Press that, click that, click that. What? Oh, come on. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Okay. Yeah. So anyways, oh my god, I nearly made it. Give me a break. No, I'm just gonna do this. You know what, I'm just gonna go somewhere else. What's that? Okay, is this a maze or something? Because if it is, I'm gonna be stressed out. Huh. Seems like they have a significant